Good morning all. Welcome to Conduct Learning, How to Learning with Study. So we are at a chapter Carbon and its compounds, and this is the fourth chapter for class 10 science. Now we switch toward the next topic, which is homologous series. Homologous series belongs to carbon compounds have the similar structure and the chemical properties, but they are different by their H2 groups. CH2 groups basically. So homologous series are series where the carbon compounds are there, and these carbon compounds are almost similar in the structure and in their chemical properties. So the meaning of chemical and physical property you will know because you have learned that in the ninth class also. The physical properties are all about the shape, the structure, the dimension and etc. about of the compound, but the chemical properties is all about the chemical nature of the compound. So the compounds of carbon which are similar by its chemical property and structure also, that means to say physical property also, but they are different by just C and H atoms in the same compound, that known as the homologous series. And we are dividing the carbon compound according to the homologous series in the three different way or three different molecules like alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. This thing we already have done in the previous slide also. Alkane is the first one, the chemical formula or the molecular formula, not chemical formula but the molecular formula, because it make a molecule when carbon atoms or hydrogen atoms are combined, they form a molecule, right? So the molecular formula for the alkane is CnH2n plus 2, as it's written there also. The chemical formula for this is CnH2n plus 2. So the number of hydrogen atom or depend upon the number of carbon atoms. Then is defining how many atoms are there for carbon in the compound. For example, the alkanes are represented there like methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, etc. So the methane is containing the single carbon atom. So here the number of carbon atom for methane is 1. So that means to say the N value in methane for carbon is 1. So accordingly we will write C1 here because the number of carbon atom in methane is 1. So accordingly the hydrogen atom will be like 2 into 1 because the N value is 1 plus 2. So accordingly the hydrogen atom value will be 4. So in that way this chemical or this molecular formula for alkane define number of carbon atom and number of hydrogen atom in particular compound of carbon or and hydrogen. So in the same way the ethane can be also the formula for ethane can also be derived from this molecular formula. The number of carbon atom in the ethanes are 2. The number of carbon atom in ethane are 2. So accordingly the hydrogen atom will be 2 into 2 plus 4 because the N value is 2. So that's why instead of writing the N we will write the value of N here. It is 2. So accordingly the number of hydrogen atom will be 2 into 2 4 plus 2 is 6. So the number of hydrogen atom in the ethane will be 6. So accordingly the chemical formula will be C2H6. So in this way we can derive the formula for propane, butane and pentane and up to hexane, heptane from the molecular formula for alkane. Below that chemical formulas of different alkanes, the structure of the alkanes are given. Like methane structure is given here. The bonding of carbon with hydrogen atom and the sharing or covalent bonding of hydrogen atom with carbon is present there. Same for ethene and same for propane is present there. So they are the alkanes which is having the CH groups, and they are coming the homologous series of carbon compound. Another example here is for alkenes. Alkenes molecular formula is quite different, which is CnH2n. That means to say whatever the value of C will be there, that means to say whatever the value of atoms of C will be there, according to the hydrogen atoms value will be double than C according to that formula. So for example for ethane the number of carbon atoms are 2 as we done before also. For ethene, the number of carbon atom 2, so accordingly the hydrogen atom will be double than that. Because the N value is 2, so that's why I will write 2 in place of N here in this chemical formula. So the formula for ethene will be C2H4. So in the same way we can derive the formula for propene, butene and pentene also. And the structure for the same is also presented there. You can see in the structure of ethane, the carbon-carbon atoms are making the double bond in between them, and they are unsaturated carbon compounds. And the rest of the valency of carbon atom is filled by this hydrogen atom, because they are making the covalent bond with the hydrogen atom also. So accordingly, this structure of ethene is designed. The same thing is happened with the propene also. The number of carbon atom increased in the propene. C is increased by 1 and H is increased by 2. And the structure of the propene is also presented there, where the double bond is there in between these two carbon atom. Rest of the carbon atom is making single bond with either carbon atom or with either hydrogen atom. The same the same procedure is followed by the butene also, where the carbon atoms are increased by 1 and the hydrogen atoms are increased by 2. And the structure of the butene is also presented there, where these two carbon are making double covalent bond with each other, but rest of the carbon atom are making single bond either with the carbon atom or either with the hydrogen atom. So in this way, this is the another alkene is another type of compound that cover under homologous series of carbon compounds. The next one example is here for alkynes. Alkynes have the molecular formula that is different from the alkane and alkenes. And the chemical formula for this is CnH2n-2. So we just have to find out what is the amount of carbon atom in particular carbon compound. Accordingly, we can find out the number of hydrogen atom for that compound also. So here, if we take the example of ethyne, then the number of carbon atom in the ethyne is 2. So accordingly, the hydrogen atom can be find out. So CnH2n-2. So here the number of carbon atoms are 2. So I will write the value of N as 2. Accordingly, I can find out the number of atoms for hydrogen also. Like 2, instead of writing the N, we will replace the value of N here. So I will write 2 here. So the number of hydrogen atom that found from that is 2. So this is the same as written there. So this is a formula for ethyne that is derived from molecular formula of alkynes. So accordingly, the structure diagram can also be seen. Here the carbon atoms, which is 2 in number, are making triple covalent bond in between them, and they are making covalent bond triple. So they are coming under unsaturated hydrocarbons because they are making triple covalent bond in between. Rest of the electrons of carbon atom are shared with the hydrogen atoms. So this is a complete structure diagram for ethyne. Thus, example of propane can also be seen, where the chemical formula for propane is different from ethyne by number of carbon atom and number of hydrogen atom. Because of that carbon and hydrogen atom difference, these compounds are called homologous. Come under the homologous series of carbon compounds, because they are differ by number of carbon and hydrogen atom only. Otherwise, their chemical properties are different, and their structure is also same. The chemical properties are not different, same, and the structure is also same. By mistake, can I say the chemical structure is different, but in actual it is same. So propane is different from ethyne by just the count of number of carbon atom and number of hydrogen atom. And we can derive the formula for propyne also by this molecular formula of alkynes. We know that the number of carbon atom in propyne are 3. So I will write 3 here instead of n. I will write the value of n here. So accordingly I can find out the value of hydrogen also. So hydrogen value is nothing but after filling the value of n here will come around 4. So the chemical formula for propyne will be C3H4. Accordingly, the structure for the propyne is also there, where the 3 carbon atoms are there, 1, 2 and 3, and these 2 carbon atoms are making triple covalent bond in between them. And the rest of the electrons which is in valence of carbon atom will be shared by the hydrogen atom. You can see there. This carbon atom is sharing its 3 electrons with this carbon atom and rest of 1 electron share with the hydrogen atom, because the carbon having the 4 valency, so it is making a complete bond, covalent bond with the carbon atom and hydrogen atom. So rest of the carbon atom is also making the bond, but it is making the single bond with this carbon atom, single bond with hydrogen atom, single bond with this hydrogen atom and single bond with this hydrogen. So this carbon atom complete its valency by sharing of 4 of its electron, right? And 3 of its electron are shared by the hydrogen atom and 1 of its electron shared by the carbon atom. And for this center carbon atom, 3 of its electron is shared with this carbon atom and 1 of the electron will be shared with this carbon atom. So this is the structure for propyne here. You can switch to the next one also, that is a butyne. The chemical formula for butane can be derived from this molecular formula itself. The molecular formula is CnH2n-2, and here the number of carbon atom for butane is increased by 1, which is 4, and the number of hydrogen atom is increased by 2, which is 6. When you will be compare this butane with propyne, then there is a difference of 1 carbon atom and there is a difference of 2 hydrogen atom. So accordingly, you can derive this formula from this molecular formula also. Because the n value is 4 in the butane, so accordingly the hydrogen value will be 2 into 4 minus 2, which is 6. So the hydrogen atom in the butane is 6 and the carbon value of atom will be 4. Accordingly, you can also design the structure of the butane. Here we have the 4 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And out of this 4 carbon atom, this carbon atom is making triple covalent bond with this carbon atom and one of it bond with the hydrogen atom. In that way, it shares all 4 electrons, 3 with the carbon atom and 1 with the hydrogen atom. This carbon atom particularly shares 3 electrons with this carbon atom and 1 electron with this carbon atom. In that way, it shares 4 electrons. This center one carbon atom shares 4 electrons, that is in its valence shell, with hydrogen atom here, and 1 with this carbon atom and 1 with this carbon atom. In that way, it shares all 4 electrons. And for this carbon atom, it is sharing its 3 electrons with the 3 different hydrogen atoms and 1 electron with this carbon atom. So in this way, you can also design pentyne, hexyne, heptyne, etc. So this is the homologous series of carbon compound, which is different by number of carbon atom and number of hydrogen atom. There is a similar structural properties and similar chemical property in between these all compounds of carbon, but they are different by just number of carbon atoms and number of hydrogen atoms. So this is the actual meaning of homologous series of carbon compound.